friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Valorant failed to launch. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, update your Windows 11. For that, you need to open your Windows 11 setting. Then select here Windows Update. If you have any update pending, update it from. After updating, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to apply. Then type here SC delete VGC. Then hit enter. Then again type here SC space delete VGK. Then hit enter. After doing this, close this window. Then delete right WinGuard. Go to the File Explorer. Double click on C drive. Select here Program Files. Then search here right WinGuard folder. Right click on this. Then click on Delete. After deleting, close this window. After doing all this method, once update your Valorant game, hope your problem will be fixed. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.